If you are an introvert and you want to make money online, but you don't want to dance on TikTok, fake a personality, become an influencer, or consistently show your face online, this video is for you. Because honestly, some of the easiest money I have made online came from faceless systems. No huge audience, no crazy editing, no guru personality, and one of them was literally make me an extra 500 to 1000 a month from simple threads posts, just understanding attention and learning how to sell online. Let's go. When I first started trying to make money online, I thought I had to become this super extrovert internet personality. And honestly, that stopped me for a long time. Because naturally, I am more introvert. I like creating, building systems, working quietly. And I know a lot of people feel the same way. You want freedom, online income, flexibility, your own business, but you don't want to consistently perform online every day. And the good news is that you don't have to. There are people making money online right now through faceless pages, affiliate marketing, digital products, online stores, automating content systems without anybody even knowing who they are. And today I want to show you some of the best online business ideas for introverts that actually work. First idea, digital products. Digital products won't die easily and you need to understand that. One of the best online business models for introverts is digital products. And why? Because you create something once and you sell it forever online. You can choose a niche or anything you like to talk about it and create a small product around that specific subject. Things like ebooks, guides, templates, planners, Notion systems, PDFs, and honestly, your first product does not need to be complicated. That's where most people get stuck. You don't need a huge course with 200 videos. Start simple. Solve one problem. That's it. When I created my first product 1 year ago, I wasn't trying to become an expert. I was simply documenting what I was learning and organizing to a system that helped people to get the same results, like I did it. That's why it sold, and that's why I'm still selling the same product after 1 year. Because people buy clarity, speed, and transformation, not just information. And the best part, this business model works really well for introverts because most of the work happens quietly in the background. You choose a platform you like TikTok, Instagram, Threads, my favorite, and stay faceless, just creating content with AI to attract your audience. I tried this model in 2024 to 2025. It made me 6 figures and I quit my job. Then in 2026, I started using the same model on my other businesses, but now I'm selling app subscriptions. You don't have to start with an app. You can start with a digital product and evolve over time. Thanks to digital products, I was able to open my eyes to the online business world, learn online sales, and build a real business that could become some, I don't know, who knows, an empire in the years to come. 2. Threads plus Amazon affiliate links. This one is super underrated and honestly, I almost never hear people talking about it, but it works really well. This is basically affiliate marketing with Amazon, but mixed with content on Threads. So here's how it works. You sign up for Amazon. Amazon gives you a custom affiliate link, and yes, the commissions are usually small individually, but they stack, especially when you promote tech, home products, cameras, products that people already search for online. I noticed pages getting crazy rich just reposting viral products online, and the strategy was super simple. They would repost viral Amazon product clips, use a strong hook, grab attention fast, and drop the affiliate link in the comments. That's literally it. And because Threads pushes content so aggressively right now, even small accounts go viral. You don't need a huge audience. I tested myself and worked really well. At one point, I was making an extra 500 to 1000 per month, just posting simple product content with affiliate links. No inventory, no product, just attention, content, and links. Another thing that works really well for shy creators is faceless on Threads. That's how I started, completely faceless. And this is still underrated because people think that you need a personal brand to make money online. You don't. You can build pages around niches like quote pages, self-improvement, motivation, AI, fitness, travel, anything you want. And this strategy is simple. Post content that grabs attention. That's it. Threads is one of the few platforms where even small accounts can still go viral consistently. So even with low followers, your post can still reach massive numbers of people. And once you get that attention, you monetize it. You can set up a simple store using, for example, Stan Store and sell digital products, affiliate products, guides, templates, online service. That's why I always tell people, learn attention plus sales online. It's one of the best skills you can develop today. Because once you understand understand how to get attention online, you can monetize almost anything. 4, selling templates. This is another amazing business model for introverts. People love templates because templates save time and people pay for convenience. You can sell Notion templates, Canva templates, AI prompts, content systems, or business workflows, automation system, email templates, basically anything you already use yourself. One of the easiest ways to create a digital product is by asking yourself, what system already helps me in my own life? Personally, I buy a lot of templates because I am busy. I don't always have time to build something from scratch. Sometimes I would rather buy something that's already halfway ready and just add my own touch to it. For example, my sales pages inside Instant Store were built from a Canva template I bought on Etsy. That template converted really well for me. And anytime I want to change something or redesign a page, I just buy another template and I customize it for my brand. So think about that. If something is helping you, there is a high chance it can help somebody else. And that's exactly how digital products are born. Simple. 5 Faceless YouTube channels. This one absolutely exploded. I also have a Faceless channel to promote a new app I am developing. And honestly, this is a proof that you do not need to show your face anymore. There are entire channels making a full-time income just using voiceover, stock footage, cozy B-rolls, animation, storytelling, and some of those channels feel more personal than traditional influencers, especially the cozy niche. You could do productivity channel, self-improvement, history, mystery, mindset, meditation, anything you like it. Almost all niches work faceless now. You just need your own style. And nowadays, it's so easy to create content videos with AI. So I think it's an amazing option for introverts. And even if you don't get, just gotta sell. And even if you don't get monetized, you still can connect your channel to some digital products or whatever you sell related to your niche. And that works really well. This channel is not even monetized yet and I'm already making money because of the visibility I'm gaining here. So you can do the same with your Faceless channel. Just give it a try, but be patient because YouTube is a little harder than other platforms, but it's also where you build one of the strongest authorities online. Honestly, learning online business changed my life completely, not just because of the money, but because of the freedom it created. I now have more control of my time, more flexibility, more creativity, more ownership of my future. And one of the biggest mindset shifts for me was realizing that I'm building my future now, not helping somebody else building theirs. That feeling changes you forever. And yes, running a business is harder sometimes, but the freedom, it's worth it. That's why I always say learning skills like sales, marketing, attention, communication is one of the best investments you can make. Because once you understand how the internet works, you can create income in so many different ways. So if you're an introvert, you do not need to become someone else to make money online. You don't need to fake confidence. You don't need to act loud. You don't need to become an influencer. You just need skills, consistency, systems, and the willingness to start. Because the internet rewards creators, not just extroverts. And if you want to learn how to actually sell your offers online, I will leave the link below to my sales code Bible. That's where I breaking down exactly how to sell your products through your Faceless channels, social media pages, content, or any online platform without feeling fake. You will learn how to grab attention, build trust, hook people into your offers, and turn your content into online sales. I will leave the link down below. And if you want more videos like this, videos that show you how to build a life where you don't need permission to live on your own terms, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I will be sharing more real stories, real strategies, and real steps to help you design a life that actually feels like yours. See you on the next video. Bye!